4 problems of the feet which should never be ignored. Hi, I'm Dr. Sikha. So let's discuss about the common problems which you ignore. First is the cold feet. So if you're having cold feet for persistent or a long duration, it could be peripheral artery disease or it could be a thyroid problem, which is majorly hypothyroidism. Why? Because thyroid regulates your body temperature. So get tested for your thyroid if you are having cold feet regularly. So next is the numbness or the tingling feet. So if there are pins or needles or there is sudden loss of sensation or feeling of like pain also, that could be either due to long-standing diabetes or which is called peripheral neuropathy, or it could also be, if it is symptomatic for a shorter period, it could be deficiency of vitamin B12 as well. So peripheral neuropathies can happen. So get yourself checked with vitamin B12 also for your diabetic profile. So I will tag along all the diabetic related tests in this one. So after that, third problem could be swollen feet or ankles. So if you are standing for a very long period of time, prolonged standing can cause that. High salt or high sugar diet can also cause that. So, or you're traveling for long periods, that can be a temporary one. But if it is long standing, it can lead to, or it is telling you your heart health, your kidney health, or it can also be due to deep venous thrombosis or DVT. So you have to get yourself checked. All your lipid profile, all your heart profile should be done, all your kidney profile should be done, and for DVT there are certain tests which you need to get tested, or you need to consult your doctor who will recommend according to the situation or the condition you are in, and because of the whatever reason. So usually it is profession based if you're standing for long period, so that has to be very particular. Apart from this, it could be the cracked heels, which is very common with the females, either due to harsh soaps or dry weather or wearing open shoes. These are the common physiological factors. In the pathological, it could be psoriasis, it could be diabetes, thyroid disease. So you need to check for your thyroid, because thyroid hormone is very important from the metabolism to your mental well-being, to your skin, hair, and so many things. Thyroid is dealing with everything. It is the main hormones which one of the main hormones, I'll say, which helps in keeping yourself healthy. So check for your thyroid regularly, check for your diabetes, and vitamins and minerals deficiency as well. These can also cause your dry and cracked skin. So get tested, keep your feet healthy. See you in the next reel. Feel free to subscribe, share, and comment on YouTube. Thank you.